Sometimes it can be challenging to step up your personal sustainability game. But you don't have to be the next Greta Thunberg to live a sustainable life. How can you live a greener life without sailing to an island, harvesting your own food, and never using electricity? To give you a helping hand, we've collected 6 easy-to-follow tips for a more sustainable life. Did you know the fashion industry is the second most polluting industry in the world? Besides buying less clothes, you can also take a critical look at the brands you buy. When something is too cheap to be true without being on sale, all the sustainable alarm bells in your head should ring. Skip fast fashion and invest in quality, fair clothing. Nowadays, there are a lot of fashionable and sustainable brands available. Yes, it's a little more expensive, but buying fewer garments that last longer will definitely help. Of course, when it comes to clothing, the best thing you can do is avoid buying new clothes at all. Vintage clothing has a huge role to play in making fashion more sustainable. There are also businesses that rent out nice clothing. When you need a fancy suit or expensive bridesmaid's dress, you don't have to buy a new one at all. Try to borrow more stuff you need from your neighbors. No, we're not talking about a cup of sugar. We're talking about a drill, a ladder, cocktail glasses, or a tent. If you don't feel like knocking on every neighbor's door, there are specialized apps available out there to connect you with a helping hand in your neighborhood. You can easily see what your neighbors have for rent and send them a message. Freshly cut grass, here we come. Don't throw everything away when it's broken. You wouldn't throw away your entire bike when you have a flat tire, would you? Borrow a screwdriver and try to fix your stuff instead of throwing it away. Nowadays, you can find a tutorial for almost anything on YouTube. You can learn to fix whatever you want. Bob the Builder, eat your heart out. How long do you use your smartphone? 1 year? 2 years? Maybe 3? A lot of people throw away their phone, or hide them in a drawer and buy a newer, shinier, better one. This makes e-waste the world's fastest growing waste stream. It's time for this to change. And with a sustainable phone, you can. We developed a phone which you can repair yourself, so if anything breaks, a module can be easily swapped instead of replacing the whole phone. If the battery dies, you can easily change it yourself. Want a better camera? You can install it with your own bare hands. Okay, well maybe you need a screwdriver, but mostly your hands. Because of this modular design, Fairphones can last up to 5 years, well beyond the average. Reports reveal that the use of a smartphone for 5 to 7 years can reduce the CO2 emissions per year by a whopping 28 to 40%. The production of a Fairphone is also a lot friendlier to the planet than normal phones. We use as many responsibly sourced or recycled materials as possible, and we take good care of our workers. Want to know more about Fairphone? Take a look at our YouTube channel for more videos, or check out our website. On an average day, we use around 124 liters of water. That's a lot, isn't it? Your shower already uses 8 liters of water per minute. Skip the 10 minutes daydreaming about being a famous singer, and try to narrow it down to 5 minutes. It saves you 40 liters of water per day. If you're struggling to cut down on your shower time, try using a small hourglass, or set a timer on your phone. A water-saving shower head can also be the solution. This way you can shower with less guilt, and still have time to practice your incredible vocal stylings. Win-win. We all know that the car or plane isn't the most environmentally friendly way to get around. Try traveling more by train and public transport, or treat yourself to an electric bike if that means you can put the car aside. If you can't cycle to work, maybe you can share a ride with a colleague. By the way, Fairphones travel from China to our distribution center in the Netherlands, mostly by freight train instead of airplane, which lowered transport emissions by 87%. Phones don't need to fly. If you still need a car from time to time, try borrowing a car from someone in your neighborhood. Or maybe you're lucky enough to live in an area where you can rent a car through a car-sharing app. Consider it. Mother Earth will thank you. And finally, Food. Food waste is a bigger problem than many people realize. In fact, nearly 1/3 of all food produced in the world is discarded or wasted for various reasons. Try to shop smarter. Before you run to the supermarket to feed your hungry stomach, check what you have in stock. Try making a list of items that you need to buy and stick to that list. This will help you reduce impulse buying and reduce food waste as well. And tell me, how often have you bought a banana and let it rot in the fruit bowl? Guilty. Separating foods that produce more ethylene gas from those that don't is another great way to reduce food spoilage. Ethylene promotes ripening in foods. For example, foods that produce this kind of gas while ripening include bananas, avocados, and tomatoes. Keep them away from sensitive products like potatoes, cucumbers, and eggplants to prevent premature ripening. We hope we've helped you towards a more sustainable future. Buying solar panels and becoming a hardcore vegan aren't the only ways to help the Earth. Small steps are also steps, and every step counts in our journey to making the world a more greener and healthier place. We'd love to hear about your ideas and initiatives. Share how you're doing your part in the comments below and inspire change your way. Are you interested how we at Fairphone care for people and planet? Make sure to check out our website or the other videos on this YouTube channel.